Hello children. In the diffraction topic, polarization is not included in the syllabus for this session. Today we will do the numericals of the diffraction topic. In this question, a screen is placed 2 meters away from the single narrow slit. The distance between the slit and screen is 2 meters, so capital D is 2 meters. Find the slit width. You have to find the small d. If the first minimum lies 5 mm on either side of the central maximum, the distance between the O and the P, that is x, that is 5 mm, convert into meter. If the incident plane wave have a wavelength of 5000 angstrom, lambda is 5000 angstrom. We can convert angstrom into meter. So for the first secondary minima, we have the relation sin theta is equal to lambda by a. This is equal to x by d. So using this relation lambda by a is equal to x by d, we can calculate a is equal to d lambda by x. By putting all these values, we get a is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 4 meter. In the next question, two spectral lines of sodium D1, D2 having wavelength 5890 and 5896. Sodium lamp sends incident plane wave onto a slit of width 2 micrometer. The width of the slit is 2 micrometer, 2 into 10 power minus 6. Screen is located 2 meter. It means capital D is 2 meter. Find the spacing between the first maxima of the two sodium lines on the measured on the screen. Lambda 1 is given, A is given 2 into 10 power minus 6. Lambda 2 is given, capital D is given. Now, for the first secondary maxima, we can write here sin theta is equal to 3 lambda 1 by 2a. For the first secondary maxima, put n is equal to 1, we get 3 lambda 1 by 2a. This is equal to x1 upon d. So we get x1 is equal to 3 lambda 1 d by 2a. So similarly we can calculate x2, which is 3 lambda 2 d by 2a. Now we have to find the spacing between the two maxima. So we can calculate x2 minus x1. By putting all these values, we can calculate and we get the answer 9 into 10 power minus 4 meter. In the next question, screen is placed 50 cm from a single slit. Capital D is 50 cm, convert into meter, 1 by 2 meter, which is illuminated with 6000 angstrom light. Lambda is given 6000 angstrom, 6000 into 10 power minus 10. The distance between the first and the third minima in the diffraction pattern is 3 mm. Find the width of the slit. We have to calculate the small d or small a. D is given, lambda is given, x is 3 mm. So for the diffraction minima, a sin theta is equal to n lambda. We can take a theta is equal to n lambda. So theta is x by d. So we get x is equal to n lambda d by a. Now we have to find the distance between first and third minima. Third minima x3, first minima x1. So 3 lambda d by a minus 1 lambda d by a. So it is 2 lambda d by a. So we can calculate a from here. So it is 2 into 10 power minus 4 meter. In the next question, in a single slit diffraction experiment, first minimum for the red light 669 nanometer wavelength is given. Coincide with the first maxima of the some other wavelength lambda dash, find lambda dash. For the red color, wavelength is given. For the second, we have to find the wavelength, so it is lambda dash. For minima, we know sin theta is equal to n lambda by a. So sin theta is equal to lambda r by a for the red color. For maxima, a sin theta is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. First maxima for the lambda dash, a sin theta dash 3 lambda dash by 2. So sin theta dash is equal to 3 lambda dash by 2a. Both minima and maxima, they coincide. So sin theta dash is equal to sin theta. So we can write here lambda r by a is equal to 3 lambda dash by 2a. So we can calculate from here lambda dash 2 by 3 lambda r. So lambda dash is 440 nanometer. In the next question, what is the width of each slit to obtain 10 maxima of the double slit interference pattern within the central maxima of the single slit refraction? 10 maxima of the double slit, it is Young double slit experiment. Central maxima of the single, it is single slit experiment. Total angular width 2 theta is 2 lambda by A. For 10 maxima of the double slit interference pattern, we can write 2 theta, that is equal to 10 lambda by D. So 2 lambda by A is equal to 10 lambda by D. So we can calculate from here. This is A is equal to D by 5. This is equal to 0.2 millimeter.